It's a beautiful day here at Somerset Auto Repair.
Clunk, clunk, clunk. I can still hear it in my head. That horrible, loud noise from the drive home. Every time I turned the wheel or hit a pothole, it sounded like my tire was falling off. Hello, Clarence speaking.
Hello, this is Travis. That sound is specific. When a car makes a clunk during turns, that almost always signals a dangerously worn component. It's likely a failing tie rod or ball joint. If that part fails while driving, you lose steering control immediately.
Oh no, that sounds so serious. I need to get it fixed, but I can't miss my 7:30 meeting.
Don't worry. We offer early drop-off and after-hours pickup until 5:30. Leave your car with us before 8 a.m. Use our secure key drop box and head straight to your meeting. We need your approval before we lift a single wrench. Somerset Auto Repair is 100% transparent. Loaner cars are also available, so you can still drive while we're still fixing your car. Early drop-off, loaner car. Thanks, Travis. Book your appointment at Somerset Auto Repair.